2024. Napaalala po sa lahat that all of the scores of our candidates from the previous round has no bearing at all in our top 3 finalists. Back to 0 po tayo. And our basis for winners tonight will be the final question and answer. Now, before we begin the final question and answer, let me just remind everyone, kaligayahan na nato mag-ibang pasabog para dili manistorbo ang ato ang mga candidates. Okay, bataan na. And of course, our final question will came from our esteemed panel of experts. Alright, we shall now begin this year's East Point 2024 final question with our candidate number 5. Good evening, candidate number 5. How are you feeling tonight that you back? Ay, sama, excited that you back all of our minor awards at the same time the first one to be called in our top 3 finalists.
I am very so happy and proud to myself because as a first timer, I really didn't expect this.
Alright, so expect the unexpected. But anyway, each one of you are of course deserve to be part of our top 3 finalists. So with that, are you ready for the final question?
I am born ready.
And since you are born ready, going to be one. Okay, so we have judge number 1, Honorable Di Maguindo. Judge number 2, we have Sir Noli Lansor. And judge number 3, we have Ms. Jackie Bernia. And let's welcome now our bold girl. 1, 2, 3 lang ang number. Alright. Alright, now aside from that, what can you say to the barangay and SD officials of Barangay ni Baclayon for having this kind of prestigious event?
Well, thank you so much everyone, especially the youth and also to the barangay and the young kabataan leaders and also the barangay officials. Without your support, this won't be possible. Thank you so much.
Alright. So once again, palakpakan natin ang barangay and SK officials for celebrating this year's Pride Month. Now, can we request our bold girl? And each of you will pick a piece of paper, and that piece of paper contains the number of our judge. Alright, candidate number 5, you pick judge number. Open that one. Judge number 3, our chairman of the board, is Jackie Bernia, ma'am. Okay, final question, please.
Good evening, ma'am.
My question is the same question when I was from Reyna Malalaganya. If you were to ask, what is the best part being a member of LGBT community? Again, what is the best part being a member of LGBT community?
Well, to answer that question directly, the best part of being a member of the LGBT community is being a pride to our community. We, the LGBTs, are the perfect combination of men and women. It doesn't matter that we have or we are a member of rainbow community, the mere fact that we are a good law-abiding citizen, that we are deserved to live in this world. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, we can think logically and we can act emotionally. That will surely inspire and aspire to every young individuals or to all the people around us. So together, let us give respect, kindness, and love to everyone. For at the end of the day, what matters most is the passion that burns within our heart. Article 3, Section 1 of the 1987 Philippine Constitution states that no person shall be deprived of life, liberty, and property, nor any person be denied the equal protection of the laws. So if you want to be a member, or if you want to be someone who would like to serve to our community, then go for it. We are all just and right. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 5. Now let's have candidate number 1. Alright, this is your moment. How are you feeling tonight that you are part of our top 3 finalists?
I feel so happy that I am one of the top 3 tonight.
Now, are you ready for the final question?
I must.
Alright, I want you to beat the piece of paper. Let's welcome once again our little girl. And you pick judge number Judge number 1, Honorable Dimabildo, your final question, sir.
Good evening, candidate number 1. I'd like to congratulate you for being on round 3. So are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. So here's my question. You can answer in any language that you're comfortable as long as you can express yourself. Okay, so here's your question. As a Miss Pride 2024 candidate, how will you describe New Baclayon? Again, as a Miss Pride 2024 candidate, how will you describe New Baclayon?
Thank you for that question, sir. Well, I describe New Baclayon as a happy barangay. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank the Sangguniang Kabataan of Barangay New Baclayon for having this kind of pageant or event. For us to showcase who and what we are. I am here standing here in front of you to tell to everyone that we, the LGBT, can also be a part of a peaceful and progressive society. So we must thank the Sangguniang Kabataan of Barangay New Baclayon and the rest of the officials. And that will be all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 1. And to complete our top 3, we have candidate number 4. Alright, this is a moment to impress our judges. How are you feeling tonight?
Happy that I'm part of the top 3. I did not expect that I was part of it.
Happy, just like what I mentioned with candidate number 5, expect the unexpected. Again, candidate number 4, this is your last moment to impress our judges. And we only have one last judge left, and that is judge number 2, Sir Dolly Lansor. Your final question, sir.
Good evening, candidate number 4. So, this is the SDS question. What are the 3 things that you are grateful in life and why? Again, what are the 3 things that you are grateful in life and why?
Living in this world is already a blessing for me. But the 3 things that I am grateful in life is first, that I live here in New Baclayon. Because New Baclayon shows that everyone are helping each other. They are working together in order to have a progressive who always support me. Especially, even though I'm part of the LGBT community, they are still there who still loving and supporting me. And lastly, the thing that I am very proud of is that I am part of the LGBT community. As we all know, the LGBT community are the strongest people in the world. Even up to this day, some LGBT members still suffer from being discriminated, judged, and by the others. But even with that, struggles and triumphs, we LGBT can still smile. Even in the darkest times, our colors bright shine. And because of that, that is the 3 things that I am proud of. Thank you.
Thank you so much.